the average age of chief executive officers at Korea's 500 largest companies by sales has dropped below 60 for the first time amid a generational shift in the business circle, according to industry data.
업계 분석 결과에 따르면요, 국내 500대 기업에서 이게 매출을 중심으로 이제 500대 기업을 산정을 한 겁니다. 거기에서 최고 경영자, 즉 CEO의 평균 연령이 이 재계 세대 교체로 인해서 처음으로 50대로 낮아졌다는 소식이 되겠습니다. So now we are having younger CEOs.
Right. So CEOs are becoming younger at South Korea's 500 largest companies, and it's they're saying that the average age has dipped below 60 for the first time. So this is according to Leaders Index, and they're saying that the average age now stands at 59.8, which is down from over 61 just 2 years ago. And the trend follows several high-profile changes at the top, including Hansol Paper's appointment of 46-year-old Han Kyung-nok and Meritz Fire and Marine Insurance's selection of 48-year-old Kim Jung-hyun. And among the youngest are Hybe Corporation's Lee Jae-sang at 43 and LT Corporation's Koo Un-mo, who became CEO at just 36 years old.
Okay.
Yeah. So they're becoming younger. And then there are, of course, others who are still pretty old. And they're saying that in terms of the gender, only 12 of the CEOs in major South Korean companies are women, who account for only 2% of the total.
So 12 out of 500.
Yes.
뭐 이제 분발하면 되죠. 뭐 열심히 누구라 뭐 남성이든 여성이든 뭐 열심히 잘 하면 되겠죠. So they were talking about those younger CEOs who are in their 50s, like you said, the average age. 그러니까 average age를 보자면은 50대다라고 하는데 저는 50대라고 해서 maybe early 50s 생각했는데 보니까 the actual figure is 59.8.
Yeah, it's still quite high. It's still near 60, but still it's the first time that it's come below 60.
So 50 these days is not quite the same as the 50s, like maybe 10 years ago.
Yeah.
So I always say 40 is new 20.
Yeah.
That's not what I said, basically. I got that from a drama, sort of TV drama, a long time ago.
Yeah.
So 지금 그러니까 한 20살, 10살 되셨나?
Yes, I think my mental age, I'm still in my 20s. But physically, physically, I think I'm maybe in my 50s.
네. 그러니까 다들 뭐 내가 내 나이가 뭐 이래서 하지만 그야말로 이제는 뭐 20년을 뒤로 가봐야 되는 뒤로 이제 재해서
We're living longer, definitely.
그러니까 and healthier.
And
of course.
healthier.
That's the whole point. Stay healthy and happy as always. All right, so we're talking about this average age of the CEOs.
Yes. The average age, it's a statistical measure that represents the typical age in a group. So you calculate this by you add up all the ages. For example, in this group, we're adding up all the ages of the 500 CEOs in Korea, and then you divide that by the number of people, the number of individuals in the group. So you would be adding up all the 500 ages and then divide that by 500.
그러니까 adding up 다 더해서 and divide 나누고 그렇죠. 그렇게 이제 평균을 내는 거죠. 그래서 average age. 그러니까 average라는 말하고 흔히 우리가 normal이라는 단어하고 조금 헷갈리는 경우도 있어요.
Yeah.
There are times when we're kind of confused between these two words, especially when you have to say something or express something in English. Average, just average normal people. A lot of times, do you think they could be used interchangeably?
Yeah, you can. Because in this case, it's very specific because we're talking about a statistical
Right,
number.
figures, yes.
But if you talk about, that's the average, normal, then you could be talking about something that a lot of people do.
Right.
Yeah, I would say that's the average for a lot of people. Then you would say that that's kind of what everyone does.
Right, exactly.
Yeah.
So in daily conversation, I think you don't have to worry too much about which word to choose to use actually. So average, average라고 흔히 우리말도 하는 average, A-V-E-R-A-G-E, average age, 평균 나이를 말하고 있습니다. 자, 그래서 amid a generational shift in the business circle. This whole thing is happening amid a generational shift.
Right.
라고 하는데 이 amid라는 단어도 참 매일 나오고 있죠. 뭐뭐인 뭐 그 가운데서
Yeah.
라는 말을 넣었어. 근데 거기에서 지금 어떤 일이 벌어지고 있느냐. Generational shift is happening.
Right. When a shift happens, it means a change is happening. So a generational shift means it's a gradual but significant change in societal norms. It could be values, behaviors, and attitudes as one generation succeeds another.
그렇죠. 한 세대에서 다른 세대로 이렇게 좀 뭔가 계승하는 그 succeed라고 하는 건 성공한다는 뜻이 아니라 이제 이게 이어지고 계승된다라는 뜻으로. So generational change. I mean, would I still make sense, do you think?
A generational change. That sounds a little different, I think. Yeah. A generational change. Shift is a little different in that case.
Right.
Yeah. But when we say shift, it's something that's changing, but here it's more gradual. So shift,
gradual.
yeah.
I think that's a very good point. 어떤 것이 서서히 이렇게 좀 변화한다라고 할 때 그때 shift라는 말을 쓰는군요. 그러니까 day shift, night shift 뭐 이런 그런 shift라는 말도 있겠고
Yeah, yeah.
아침에 일하는 뭐 조도 있고 저녁에 일하는 조가 있다라고 할 때 그런 shift라는 말을 또 쓰기도 하잖아요. 자, generational shift, 세대 교체. We tend to use this expression quite often, even in Korean. 자, 그럴 때, this is the expression you might want to remember if you want to say that in English.
Yep.
So we're noticing a generational shift as younger leaders start to take over. So here's the story once again. The average age of chief executive officers at Korea's 500 largest companies by sales has dropped below 60 for the first time amid a generational shift in the business circle, according to industry data. All right, so let's move on to our second headline.